rash of cases of mucormycosis, commonly known as black fungus, is being reported among people who are recovering or have recovered from COVID-19. Even as India battles the coronavirus emergency, which has left hospitals overwhelmed and healthcare workers overburdened. India has reported several cases of mucormycosis among COVID-19 recovered and recovering patients, causing blindness or other serious issues. Mucormycosis cases have been reported from Surat in Gujarat, Delhi and Maharashtra. The mucormycosis infection triggered by COVID-19 is treatable, but if left untreated or if the treatment is delayed, the rare infection can lead to loss of vision and in some cases increase the risk of mortality. Mucormycosis was previously called zymomycosis. Mucormycosis is serious but a real fungal infection that has been affecting recovered or recovering COVID-19 patients. Mucormycosis mainly affects people who have health problems or have been on medicines that lower the body's ability to fight germs and sickness. Certain groups of people are more likely to get mucormycosis, including people with diabetes, especially with diabetic ketoacidosis, cancer, organ transplant, stem cell transplant, neutropenia, long-term corticosteroid use, injection drug use, too much iron in the body, skin injury due to surgery, burns or wounds, prematurity and low birth weight. People get mucormycosis through contact with fungal spores in the environment. The CDC says mucormycosis infection can occur if someone inhales the spores from the air or if the fungus enters the skin through an scrap, burn or other type of skin injury. The symptoms of mucormycosis or black fungus usually appear 2-3 days after a person has recovered from the COVID-19 infection. In some cases, the infection appears during recovery. From the sinus, the infection takes about 2 to 4 days to invade the eyes. Often mucormycosis requires surgery to cut away the infected tissue. If mucormycosis is left untreated or if treatment is delayed, it could lead to blindness. In some cases, it may result in death. In an advisory, the government said the fungal infection mainly affects people who are on medication that reduces the ability to fight environment pathogens.
That's it for this video. Stay tuned with us. Do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Till then, stay healthy, stay indoors.